Hey, this is Alex of Pit Stop Auto, and today we're going to walk you through how to correctly complete a purchase on our website. First things first, we need to find the part we need and if it will fit our vehicle. To do this, we are going to use our catalog and fill out our vehicle's information that includes the vehicle's year, make, model, and engine size. We can also use the fitment guide at the bottom of each product listing to ensure that the part will fit the vehicle. Now that we found the part that we need, we have to make sure it will fit our vehicle. We do this by checking the fitment guide previously mentioned and making sure that it will fit. Once we have found the part we need and we know it fits, we can continue with the checkout process. To place an order, you have the option to create an account using an email and password of your choosing. Creating an account will save your information and allow you to claim reward points with every purchase. To learn more about our rewards program, visit the rewards tab on our website. Make sure to sign up for our email list to get news about future discounts. If you don't create an account, there is another option to check out as a guest. This is where we see most of the checkout issues occurring. You will still need to fill out your information such as your first and last name, email, and phone number. This is so that we can send you your order confirmations and shipping updates. Now that we have filled out the appropriate information, we will now go on to the next step of the checkout process. We're going to start by filling out our billing and shipping address so that we can get the part we need to fix our car right to our doorstep. If you have the same billing address as your shipping address, you need to check the box that says Add Same Billing Address, as I am doing now. This will set the billing address to be the same as your shipping while saving your information for the next portion of the checkout process. Our website will show a suggested address, which we recommend choosing as long as the address matches the one it needs to ship to. This is to make sure that our website will ship the part to the correct address. To make sure that the two addresses are correct, you have to check the two boxes that say Deliver Here and Set as Billing Address, as I'm doing now. This confirms that the part will be shipped to the correct address and the billing address is associated correctly with the payment method. Now, if your billing address is separate from your shipping address, then you have to click the Edit Address button here. This will allow you to change your address and fill out the new information where it needs to be billed to. If you end up making a mistake, do not click the back arrow because you will then be locked out of your account without a password to sign back in. You'll have to call our office at 424-625-4357 to get signed back in and continue your checkout process. We are now going to be directed to the shipping method options. We offer free shipping to the 48 contiguous United States and also expedited shipping options, which includes next day delivery if you need the part as soon as possible. With the shipping method chosen, we're going to review our order to confirm that all the information is correct. We accept all major credit card companies including MasterCard, Visa, American Express, and Discover. We also accept PayPal and PayPal Credit. PayPal Credit is a reusable credit line available on purchases at millions of stores that accept PayPal. If you end up locked out of your account or are still having issues checking out, we have certified technicians waiting to help Monday through Friday from 8 a.m. to 6 p.m. Central Standard Time. Give us a call at 424-625-4357 and we'll be happy to help.